Welcome to this video. In this session, we will learn what a 301 redirect is, how it works, and why it is important for SEO. A 301 redirect is permanent redirect that sends both users and search engine from one URL to another. When a browser or search engine requests a page that has been moved, the server sends a 301 status code along with the new page location. You should use a 301 redirect when you permanently move a page, merge pages, change domain names, or fix broken URLs. A 301 redirect passes most of the link equity from the old page to the new page, helping maintain search rankings. You can set up a 301 redirect in the .htaccess file in Apache server settings in WordPress plugins or through your hosting control panel. Avoid creating redirect chains or loops using temporary redirects for permanent changes or forgetting to update internal links. Always test your 301 redirects using browser developer tools or online redirect checker tools to ensure they work correctly. A 301 redirect is the best way to permanently move content while keeping your SEO value. Use it whenever you make lasting URL changes. Thanks for watching. Apply 301 redirects correctly to maintain your rankings and provide a smooth user experience. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.